Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. If you like the content, just press the plus sign over there to make sure that we reach 20,000 followers before the end of the season. We are growing as family and we must applaud you guys for keeping the content continuing. There's a lot of content, there's a lot of incident that we need to explain from the supporters' perspective based on Sunday clash against Mamelodi Sundowns, 7-time champions. There's this incident over here where Mamelodi Sundowns has to use a sidewalk to enter the stadium, not the tunnel. So, according to the statement that was released yesterday by the CEO, Bert Groenewald, or something like that, but yeah, from the stadium management of South Africa, they said that they've made commitment with Kaizer Chiefs that in any Betway Premiership match that will be played at FNB, there's no team that going to use a home dressing room. So the situation that really happened here, it was quite unusual and not good at all. I think this is the standard of ABC League, somewhere there down. But I want to commend Mamelodi Sundowns supporters saying that Orlando Pirates has nothing to do with what happened here. We've just hired the venue, which is our alternative venue, FNB Stadium, but we are not allowed to use the home dressing room. So I don't know what is the agreement between Kaizer Chiefs and the stadium management of South Africa, but whatever that they have agreed on, it might be beneficial for their relationship to continue in a long run. But to be honest, if you're hosting a team here, it's not really healthy. So what the CEO has just highlighted is that Mamelodi Sundowns has to use, in fact, FNB Stadium has 4 dressing room. There is 2 new ones that were built during the renovation and the old FNB dressing room. So Mamelodi Sundowns has to use one of the old dressing room, and Orlando Pirates occupied the away new dressing room. So that's what really transpired from this incident. We have nothing to make the football unsportsmanship, and we continue to respect the football that we played. This was also beyond our control. Hope you find it in your view and thoughts to make adjustment in the conclusion that we've made. Orlando Pirates has nothing to do with this one.